Bonjour, je m'appelle Boussari Mustafa, je suis le tuteur en chef ici à Ma Petite France. I am the head tutor at Ma Petite France, a French language learning agency here in Nigeria. Our goal is to raise kids bilingual, and like we used to say, learning French with us is fun. We understand that a few minutes per week is not enough for your child to truly become fluent in French. That is why we provide a well-structured home tutorials, both physical and online, where your child can learn in a fun and interactive way from the comfort of your home. Our home tutorials aim to build your child competencies in the 4 aspects of the language, which are reading, writing, listening and speaking. That is why we provide learning materials approved by the Common European Framework of References for Languages. These learning materials don't only prepare them for DEF exam, but they also build their autonomy in French. In addition to that, we provide them with different educative and interactive games, animated videos, new words and expression monthly to effectively build their vocabulary. To ensure that your child can actually apply everything he or she has been taught in class, our follow-up team conduct tests every month and also visit every trimester to make sure your child is progressing. Register your child today to join the bilingual train of Ma Petite France. Merci, à bientôt!